Hi, I'm Chef Brent. Welcome to my kitchen and my series Pansauce That Pop. Today we're going to be working on fish fumet. What is fish fumet? Fish fumet is simply white fish stock that is reduced down to a thicker form and is often used to thicken and flavor fish sauces and soups. You can find the recipe either below or in my book Mastering French Courses. If you like what you see, please turn on your notifications, subscribe to my channel, and always feel free to contact me below. Let's begin. First, throw your fish bones in the pot and then throw in your vegetables. Next, fill the pot with water and bring it to a simmer. Now's the time to remove the scum that forms on the surface. Now let your stock gently simmer for 4 hours. This is how everything looks after 4 hours of cooking. Kind of dull and not very vibrant looking anymore. This is because all the flavors had transferred from the bones and vegetables to the liquid. Now it's time to strain your stock into a smaller pot. Now it's time to reduce your fish stock into a fumet. So you want to reduce it down from this consistency to this. This is how your fumet should look after it's been chilled for a couple hours. Gelatinous. Here's fumet in action being used toward the end of a lemon butter sauce.